Ganyan talaga eh, guys. Okay, I wanna ask, who's first time right here to meet Enrique? You do the first time? Okay, Enrique, I wanna ask you, how has it been working with Samsung for this
Actually, it was my first time shooting a commercial, kind of like that. Parang, you know, as me na meeting a fan and something like that. And it was, yeah, so it was new for me, but it was super fun, super relaxed, super chill. Kahit pagod kaming lahat, but everybody was super nice there. So,
now I'm so excited to see the commercial because you have a fan there. Nandito ba yun? Sino yun? Ay, wala. Alright, so I have another question for you.
Yes.
Okay. It involves math. Hindi, joke lang. Alright, no, I'm joking. Alright, so do you have a message for the fans that, you know, went by here and saw you and decided to like visit you for Samsung, you know what I mean? It is, what is it, a Tuesday, right?
Tuesday.
Yeah.
Alam ko maraming kayong mga schedule sa buhay. Pero maraming salamat dahil naisipan yung isama kami sa schedule. Maraming salamat po. Thank you. Tsaka yung mga faces po dito, I've seen these faces a lot of times.
Yeah.
You know, sa lahat mga events ko, nandito lagi sila. Yan ang talagang di mo sabing hindi ka mahal ng tao. Maraming salamat.
They are so loyal to be here. And you know what? I do have a surprise para sa mga fans na nandito. Meron tayong game. Meron tayong game with Enrique that we're gonna do. Gusto mo ba? Alright, here's the thing, okay? The game is easy. Sobrang simple. Ginagawa natin ito sa bahay kasama ng picture ni Enrique for sure. Ano yun? Oy, PG tayo ah. Oh, ano Okay, staring contest.
Magaling ka? Kaya mo?
Alright, so, and we have 3 lucky fans. So, today is gonna pay off